Micro-Make workshop. I'm Donald. Today we'll be working on a project. We're going to be pouring some molds. We're going to be using plaster of Paris, and these are retaining wall molds for our new portal tunnel kit. To make the molds, I actually use Micro-Mark Near Clear silicone. It's a 10-to-1 mix, 10 parts A, 1 part B. Mix it up, pour your mold. 24 hours later, you have something sturdy that you can pour plaster into. Alright, so we're going to start off with 2 measuring cups. One will be water, one will be empty. We're going to take some regular plaster of Paris. We're going to put a few scoops in. Measurements aren't necessary, because the most important thing is the consistency of the plaster. So we're going to pour water in until it has the consistency needed to pour into the mold. Now, I like to compare it to maybe like a split pea soup as far as the consistency goes. So, loosen it up here, add some water, pour it in until it just covers it. Mix. I use a flat-edged popsicle stick to stir. It's like a good consistency. We keep going until it's smooth. Almost there. Usually overflow it so it goes over the edges a little bit, because we're going to do a little bit of a scrape. Make a little more, just short a little bit. Just a little quicker than the first time. You don't want it to set. Take the flat end of the popsicle stick, go scrape. There's bubbles, just tap them out. This one looks pretty good. Bubbles here. Alright, now that these have cured a little bit, we're going to stick them in the dry booth. Now this dry booth usually cures plaster at a 1/3 rate, so you'll save 60% of the time. This can also be used to cure resin and paint. So we'll set those in there for about 20 minutes and they should be ready soon. Welcome back. 20 minutes later, we're going to head to Dr. DryBooth here and check out our molds. It's dry. So we're going to pull these out. Take them over to our bench. See how they look. Might have a little loose ends here. You can just break those off. Take a file. Nice straight clean edges, and we have our plaster retaining walls for our tunnel.